Before we get started, you're going to want to remove the 3/4 inch port. That's going to be the vent port for the drum. What you're going to put in there is a desiccant filter. These desiccant filters make sure that the air is dry so it doesn't contaminate the adhesive at all. Desiccant filters basically they filter the moisture out of the air as it vents into the drum. How do you know when these are good? They've got a nice little sight port on them that's blue when the filter is still clean. When the sight port turns pink, that's when you know that your filter is saturated and you need to replace it with a new one. So the filter threads into the vent port. Just thread that in until it's snug. Then we're going to do the same on the A drum.
You want to note that you also want to put it on the line with your lower port.
Find that lead thread. Where are you? Here's where you see the value of the twist lock. Again, spin that on until it's nice and snug, and then you're going to want the filters oriented 90 degrees from the lower fitting. Now the lower fitting, this is going to be our suction port where the adhesive comes out. You just simply remove, if there's any dust on there, blow it off so it doesn't fall into the tank. But remove that 3/4 inch center plug on both the A and the B. And then we're ready to hook up the pump.